Hello, this video provides the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the first quarter of 2022. As we wrap up the first quarter and head into the spring market, we're seeing early signs of a cooling market. Let's take a look at some of the key stats relative to Q1 2021. For Guelph, the median sales price was $905,500, which is up by 28.8%. The average sales price per square foot was $574, which is up by 26.4%. The total number of listings was 1,004, which represents no change at all, and the total number of sales was 719, which is down by 9.6%. For the Tri-City, in Kitchener, the median sales price was $865,050, which is up by 26.8%. In Waterloo, the median sales price was $880,800, which is up by 25.4%. And in Cambridge, the median sales price was $880,000, which was up by 25.7%. While the number of new listings reflects a healthy start to the year, the decrease in the number of homes sold is providing buyers with more choice. As the gap between the number of new listings and the number of homes sold widened in Q1, we experienced an immediate correlation in pricing. The median sales price plateaued since its peak at $915,000 in January and has dropped slightly to $906,000 in Guelph. In all four of our local urban markets, we're seeing market conditions drop from a hot seller's market to a seller's market, which is defined in the full report attached in this blog. It's not exactly the balanced market we'd like to see further down the road, but some buyers are feeling relief from the red-hot conditions that we've been getting used to over the past few months and as the pandemic has gone on. The big question now is, will these trends be sustained? Will we start to see new listings continue to flow into the marketplace throughout the spring, or has the spring peak just happened early this year? Feel free to reach out to me anytime for real-time market updates, or if you're thinking about buying or selling this year. I'd be happy to help you out, and thanks for joining me today.